Today, I'm going to show you how to give your Telegram chats a fresh, aesthetic look by setting custom wallpapers, perfect if you want each conversation to feel uniquely yours. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change the background for any individual chat, whether you prefer vibrant colors, soothing gradients, something straight from your gallery, or one of Telegram's stylish built-in options. Let's dive right in. To start, open up Telegram on your phone and pick the chat you want to personalize. Maybe it's a close friend, a family member, or a group with your study buddies. Custom wallpapers can make each chat stand out, so think of it like decorating your room to fit the vibe you want for that conversation. Once you're inside the chat, look up at the very top. You'll see your chat partner's profile picture or name. Go ahead and tap on that. This takes you into the chat's profile details. It's kind of like opening up a settings drawer that's just for this one conversation, giving you more control over how it looks and feels. Now here, where things get interesting, somewhere in this menu you'll find an option that says something like Set Wallpaper or Change Wallpaper. Depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, the location of this option might be a little different. Sometimes it's nestled under the More or Settings section, so don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Take your time and explore the menu, you'll find it. If you ever feel stuck, just gently swipe up or look for an icon that seems related to appearance or customization. Once you tap Set Wallpaper, Telegram will offer you a bunch of choices. You can pick from solid colors if you want something simple and clean, for example, maybe a crisp white for a minimalist vibe or a calming pastel. If you're feeling a bit more creative, try their gradients. These blend colors smoothly for a soft, pleasant effect. Telegram also has a selection of built-in backgrounds, some artistic, some photographic, that can set a special mood for each chat. Browse through these and let your imagination guide you. But what if you want something truly unique, like a photo you took on a special day? Telegram allows you to select images straight from your gallery, so you can set a favorite picture, a sunset you captured, your pet being goofy, or a motivational wallpaper you made yourself. This small personal touch can really make your chats more fun and meaningful. After you've chosen your wallpaper, Telegram will let you preview it. Take a good look. In the preview window, you can see how your messages will appear against your new background. If it's a bit too bright or maybe the text is hard to read, don't worry. You can go back, adjust, and try another option until it feels just right. One cool detail. If you and your chat partner are both Telegram Premium users, you can even share your custom chat wallpaper with them, creating a matching vibe that makes your messages feel more connected. Finally, once you're happy with your selection, just hit Apply. That's it, your chat now has a brand new look. Remember, you can always change it again as your style or mood changes. Setting custom Telegram wallpapers is a small trick that goes a long way in making your messaging experience truly personal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want more tips for making Telegram look and work just the way you like. And of course, hit subscribe for more easy aesthetic tutorials. See you in the next video.